Have you ever noticed that your smartphone battery drains faster during winter? Now imagine that same challenge affecting a vehicle that relies entirely on a battery pack. Every year, thousands of Tesla owners are surprised when cold weather suddenly reduces range, slows charging speeds, and changes how their vehicle performs. Some drivers panic, thinking something is wrong with their car. The truth is much simpler. Winter affects every electric vehicle, including Tesla. But here's the good news. Most Tesla owners lose more range than necessary because they don't know about the settings, habits, and hidden features that can dramatically improve winter performance. Today, we're diving into the ultimate Tesla winter survival guide. Whether you own a Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or Model X, these tips can help you maximize range, improve charging speed, and stay comfortable throughout the coldest months of the year. Let's begin. Winter creates one major challenge for electric vehicles. Batteries prefer moderate temperatures. When temperatures drop, battery chemistry becomes less efficient. The vehicle uses extra energy to warm the battery pack before it can deliver full performance. This is why many Tesla owners wake up on a cold morning, look at their screen, and notice less available range than expected. The first thing every Tesla owner should do is understand the difference between battery percentage and estimated miles. During winter, estimated miles can fluctuate more than usual because weather conditions impact energy consumption. Many experienced owners switch their display to battery percentage instead of miles. This provides a more consistent and less stressful way to monitor energy levels. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful winter features Tesla offers: scheduled departure. Most drivers simply unplug their Tesla and start driving. That's a mistake during winter. Scheduled departure allows the vehicle to warm the battery and cabin before you leave. Instead of using battery energy while driving, Tesla prepares everything while still connected to power. Imagine stepping into a warm cabin with a battery that's already at its optimal operating temperature. This single feature can significantly improve efficiency and comfort. Another hidden trick involves keeping your Tesla plugged in whenever possible. Many new owners think frequent plugging and unplugging might damage the battery. In reality, Tesla recommends leaving the vehicle plugged in when practical. During cold weather, the car can use external power to maintain battery temperature instead of consuming stored battery energy. This simple habit helps preserve range and keeps the battery ready for use. Now let's discuss heating. One of the biggest range killers in winter is excessive cabin heating. While Tesla's heating systems are efficient, warming an entire cabin still requires energy. Here's the smarter solution. Use seat heaters and steering wheel heaters whenever possible. Heating your body directly consumes significantly less energy than heating the entire interior. Many Tesla owners find they can reduce cabin temperature by a few degrees while remaining just as comfortable thanks to heated seats. Next comes a feature many owners don't fully understand: battery preconditioning. If you're heading to a supercharger, always enter the charging location into Tesla's navigation system. When you do, the vehicle automatically begins warming the battery before arrival. Why does this matter? Cold batteries charge much slower than warm batteries. Preconditioning ensures the battery reaches the ideal temperature, reducing charging times and improving efficiency. Some drivers skip navigation because they already know where the supercharger is. Unfortunately, doing this can result in slower charging sessions and unnecessary waiting. Now let's talk about driving habits. Winter driving isn't just about weather, it's about energy management. Aggressive acceleration drains more battery in cold conditions. Sudden bursts of power require higher energy output from a battery already operating under temperature stress. Smooth acceleration, gradual braking, and maintaining steady highway speeds can noticeably improve range. Tesla's regenerative braking system may also feel different in winter. If the battery is cold, regenerative braking can be temporarily limited until the battery warms up. Many new owners think something is wrong when they notice reduced regenerative braking. In reality, it's completely normal. Let's move on to tire pressure. This is one of the most overlooked factors affecting winter efficiency. Cold temperatures reduce tire pressure naturally. Even slightly underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing the vehicle to consume more energy. Checking tire pressure regularly during winter can improve both efficiency and safety. Another powerful feature many Tesla owners ignore is energy consumption tracking. Tesla provides detailed energy graphs that show exactly where power is being used. Instead of guessing why range is dropping, owners can view real-time data and identify what's affecting efficiency. It's like having an energy coach built directly into your vehicle. Now here's a hidden setting that many owners never explore. Inside Tesla's navigation system, the route planner continuously calculates weather conditions, elevation changes, traffic patterns, and expected battery levels upon arrival. This system is far more advanced than traditional navigation. Trusting Tesla's route planning during winter can help eliminate range anxiety because the system constantly adjusts calculations based on real-world conditions. Let's discuss charging habits during cold weather. Many people believe charging to 100% is always best before a long trip. However, Tesla generally recommends charging levels based on your driving needs. For daily use, many owners keep charging within recommended limits and only charge higher when preparing for longer journeys. Managing charging habits properly helps maintain battery health while ensuring enough energy for winter travel. Now let's talk about emergency winter preparation. Every Tesla owner should keep a few essentials in their vehicle during cold months: a phone charging cable, a warm blanket, a flashlight, a portable tire inflator, and bottled water. While Tesla's range and navigation systems are excellent, winter weather can be unpredictable. Being prepared adds an extra layer of confidence. Another winter feature worth mentioning is Tesla's mobile app. Many owners only use it to check battery percentage, but the app can remotely warm the cabin, activate defrosting, monitor charging progress, and prepare the vehicle before departure. Instead of entering an ice-cold car, owners can create a comfortable environment before stepping outside. Now let's address one of the biggest myths about Tesla ownership during winter. Some people believe electric vehicles become unusable in cold climates. The reality is very different. Tesla vehicles operate successfully in some of the coldest regions on Earth, including Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Canada. The key difference is that experienced owners understand how to work with the vehicle rather than against it. Winter doesn't make Teslas impractical, it simply rewards preparation. As battery technology continues improving, future Tesla models will become even more efficient in extreme temperatures. Software updates regularly enhance thermal management systems, charging performance, and energy optimization. That's one of the advantages of Tesla ownership. The vehicle continues evolving long after purchase. So what's the ultimate lesson from this winter survival guide? Cold weather will reduce range. That's normal. But smart preparation, proper charging habits, battery preconditioning, scheduled departures, efficient heating strategies, and careful driving can dramatically reduce those losses. The difference between a frustrated Tesla owner and a confident Tesla owner often comes down to understanding these hidden tools and settings. And now, you know them. Which winter tip surprised you the most? Do you already use scheduled departure, battery preconditioning, or heated seats to maximize range? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this guide and want more Tesla tips, EV technology insights, hidden features, and future automotive innovations, subscribe to Mototech Home and join us for the next video. Stay warm, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.